I'm Chris, and I'm here to show you how you can use the UX writing agent skill that I created for Claude and Claude Code to write better interface copy using your Figma designs. So there's a website here attached to the GitHub repository. First and foremost, this is free, open source, and I hope that other members of the content design community can contribute to it. But in terms of how to use this, it's fairly straightforward. You'd click the download skill button here. That'll package up a zip file, which I can see was just downloaded. There's this new skills area, and you just need to upload the skill. So you take the zip file that we just created, drop it in as the zip file, which contains a bunch of instructions, and you can see that that worked great. So next we'll open up a new conversation. I'll use Haiku since it's relatively quick. And what I'm going to do is go over here to Figma, and this is just a screenshot, but it would work with regular Figma designs as well. Grab a link to the frame, and you can see that there's an error message here that I would expect, following UX writing best practices to get caught by the skill. So we'll go back over to Claude, and let's see what that gets us. So what it should do now is use Figma to go fetch the frame that we just shared with it, and then use the skills from the UX writing zip file that we put together, and use that to review the copy essentially. I've put quite a bit of my knowledge about UX writing and inspiration from others, and I think this will only get better if as a community we contribute to it and keep adding to the open source project. So really encourage everyone to do that if they're willing and able. So you can see that it was able to get the file, run the skill, and then you can see here, sort of as expected, the error message needs significant revision, and give some ideas for how to fix that based on best practices. So there you go. You can use this with any Figma frame. One frame at a time tends to work best. And if you do want to contribute, there's more information here on the website about what's in there. You can also just view this on GitHub, and here you'll see all the files where you can make contributions. So hope this is useful for folks. Hope it makes a difference in your projects, and really looking forward to what people contribute. Thanks.